Welcome to Your Next English, and today's lesson is all about one skill that changes everything: listening. Real, natural, fast English listening, the kind native speakers use every single day, and the kind learners struggle with the most. But today, you're going to learn exactly how to master it, step by step, with simple, practical techniques you can use immediately. So take a deep breath. Relax your mind. This is your moment to grow. Let's start with a simple truth. You don't have a listening problem. You have an expectation problem. Native speakers don't speak the way textbooks teach. They connect words. They reduce sounds. They speak fast. They swallow endings. They change pronunciation in real time. And that's why you often understand English in your head, but not when it's spoken at natural speed. Don't worry. After today's lesson, everything will start to make sense. Let's begin with technique number 1. Train your ear, not your eyes. Most learners rely on subtitles, but your brain can only improve listening when it listens, not reads. So here's your challenge. Listen first, without text. Only add subtitles after you try. This builds real ear strength. Just like muscles grow when you train them, your listening grows when you train it directly. Technique number 2. Shadow native speakers. Shadowing means listen to a short clip, then repeat exactly what you hear. Same rhythm, same speed, same emotion, same connection of words. When you shadow, something amazing happens. You start hearing the sounds you never noticed before, because you're not just listening, you're copying. And through copying, you learn naturally.
Technique number 3. Learn connected speech. Native speakers don't say, do, you, want, to, eat. They say, "Do you want to eat?" They don't say, "I am going to see her." They say, "I'm gonna see her." These small changes create big listening difficulties. But here's the trick. Once you know them, they stop being difficult. They start becoming predictable. Technique number 4. Listen to many accents, not just one. English is global, and the world doesn't speak with one accent. American, British, Canadian, Australian, Indian, Middle Eastern, African, European. The more accents you hear, the more flexible your ear becomes, and flexibility equals fluency. Technique number 5. Use slow to normal to fast training. Start with slow audio. Understand the meaning. Then increase the speed. And finally, challenge yourself with real, natural speed. This 3-step method transforms your listening because you train your brain gradually, not painfully, but effectively. Technique number 6. Guess meaning from context. Native speakers don't understand every word either. They understand ideas. They understand patterns. They understand context. So don't freeze when you hear something new. Keep listening. Your brain will fill the gaps. Technique number 7. Make listening a daily habit. Even 10 minutes a day is powerful. Podcasts, movies, YouTube videos, audiobooks, songs, real conversations. Every minute of listening changes your brain, and every day builds your fluency. Before we finish, here's one final secret. Listening improves fastest when you enjoy it. So choose content you love, stories you enjoy, topics that excite you, voices that inspire you. Your English listening will improve faster than you think. And remember, this is your next English, and we are building your fluency one powerful lesson at a time. Keep listening, keep growing,
and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for learning with me today. If you found this lesson helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Your Next English. We're building a journey of real fluency together, step by step, lesson by lesson. Stay tuned, because the next videos will take your English to a whole new level. See you in the next lesson.